Some people love digging in the dirt.
For me, it's awesome. It's kind of like a dream come true.
This is Digging with a Purpose. It's Carolyn Dillion's Prehistoric Archaeological Field Study, a 300-level anthropology course. Students are searching for artifacts of communities that once existed here.
You want to find something, that's a given.
That is not a problem at this location. They've discovered pottery sherds, bits of stone tools, all sorts of things.
When you find something that feels like good, it's like finding buried treasure almost. It's really like thrilling and exciting.
Some of the pottery sherds came from the same vessel and actually fit together.
That was pretty exciting. I wasn't expecting them to.
Every archaeological dig essentially makes a connection to the past.
The whole point is to help understand how prehistoric people lived, what they were thinking, what they were doing.
It's hard not to think of those who once lived here when something they made or used is pulled from the ground.
I think about the people who used it all the time. Like this entire experience, I'm just thinking of how they lived back then.
This site is on a high bluff in the Ann Tillman Boyce Coastal Reserve, which is owned by the Coastal Educational Foundation.
This was a location when I first saw it that I really expected to find an archaeological site.
Coastal students have worked this location for years, but they're going deeper than ever this time.
When we're finding stuff at 100 centimeters below, that's 3,000-year-old.
Along the way, students are gaining skills they will need if they want to do archaeological field work.
Students are learning the techniques of archaeological excavation and recording.
They are also getting experience working in the lab with items they find in the field.
To come back to the lab and do the research and gather the rest of the data, you're able to get a full understanding of how that got there.
The lab component allows students to see the scientific process all the way through.
In archaeology, it's not just finding the artifacts, but it's what the artifacts can tell us about how people lived in the past.
Artifacts found in the dig here will be used in student and faculty research for years.
I really hope it'll be a great contribution to our knowledge about the prehistoric past.